comes back and then goes back to Walmart. And then, as you can see, he times out again. Not in here no more. And the funny part is this guy.